So the lady tell me, say, some people stuck around a Dumfries. The one of them places that they got cut off from Montego Bay. So they cannot come out to get food and stuff with. If they had to come out there to go all the way to Trelawny, which the road is already bad. So I'm going to go around there now. There's a person that follow me on TikTok. Her name is Radhika. I'm actually on my way straight to her. And this is where the bike could have fit. I can't drive the car because there's no road for the car to drive. So this is where the bike could have fit. So me one case of water. I'm going to put some case of water in my knapsack. Some single water in my knapsack. And this is a whole case of sausage. A whole case of sardine. And a whole case of bully beef. This is bike could have hold. The bike can't hold nothing more. The bike not even right good. But the people don't want help. People don't want help. People don't want help. We cannot wait for aid. Aid, everybody's trying to go down to the worst place that got hit to take pictures. I am boots on the ground and the people them need stuff like right now. Me no want nobody tell me no foolishness. See my house there. See my the tent is what I sleep in. That other blue tarpaulin down there, sir, that's my house. But them say, when I want help, you must first start to serve. Serve. If you're in a one position where you don't know what to do next, serve. Do for others. Do for others. Do for others. Do for others. I'm just about to hit the road now. I'm going to ride all the way from Westmoreland to go to Montego Bay, to go to Dumfries and them place there. And when me can give, me can give. When me can carry, me can carry. So the bike can't carry nothing more. So the hopefully bike will turn over with me. I want to strap this. See there? Set a rack. Dumfries where I go. People don't want goods. People don't want stuff. My link in my bio. If you want to donate, Cash App, Zelle. Cash App, Zelle. Cash App, Zelle. If you're local in Jamaica, there's NCB and there's Scotiabank. If you don't have it, send prayers. Send prayers. Send prayers. The people don't want help. See, I just bought one whole carload of food. Look, it done. It done. See the couple sausages left? Couple sausages left. And half case of water left. Half case of water left. The money where people them send me to come for buy 2 pieces of board to build up my house, I help me take a buy food. When they send help. Send help. Send help. Yo, you have some people, some elderly people, they didn't eat all from yesterday. Send help. Send help.